Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error code uh, 81. And if you want to fix it, all you need to do type here services. Now right click, launch, run as an administrator, and after that just scroll down, scroll until you find VGC, and here is it, VGC. Now right click on it and click restart. And if you find here start, just click on it, and after that right click, go to properties, make it automatic, then apply and OK, and restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC and your problem must be fixed. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.